Look at the homie. Yes, sir. We just pulled up to the beach. We about to get some good views today, y'all. We're about to go up, man. Stay tuned. We about to get it going. Oh, it's sunny as fuck out here. We just pulled up. Got the big truck we giving away. We got the lamb chop.
Hey man, you got it, man. You got the big daddy out.
I got my man's Ray. We was going up last night.
The address to the truck, we're gonna pull up.
Yes, sir. We about to get it in today. I'm about to go ahead and give y'all some good views of the truck, the way it's gonna work. My boy's about to help me out. We gonna get it going. I'm gonna get some slow-mos, some quick little shots, and then I'm gonna just play the video throughout and give y'all an update on everything. And then after that, I'm gonna give y'all basically an update on everything I'm doing on the Roadglide that's coming from the, Texas right now, the 2019. Just to give y'all an update on everything and what it's gonna be and what's coming with it, so y'all can know what it's gonna be like and where we heading with it. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the big beach in the back. About to go up, man. Crazy. Shit, nice. Hey, have you been in?
Alone and loud, that's how I feel. I dream all night and day. Could you give us a chance if you might? And I deserve it, please, one last time. Could you give us a chance, we'll be so fine. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Night, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Alone and bored, that's how you feel. You went so far away. You should give us a chance, please be kind. I need to see you just one last time. You should give us a chance, we'll feel alive. I hope one day, somehow, I always will meet again. Cause I've been wondering why we still play as we were friends. I hope somehow, I always will meet again. It's time to care, we should just share love one day. Mine, mine, mine.
We done made a successful video, man. That's why you gotta have a team and come together, cause I could not do that shit by myself, man. We had to have 2 drivers and a cameraman.
Mr. Everything Regular himself,
Man.
built by Dre, built by Ray, man. We out
We
here
sliding, man.
Team, man. If you don't
telling you, sir.
That's 3. We can build some cars, a whole car from ground up.
Hey.
We can get it painted.
No,
we can get
dead
the
ass.
transmission swapped out, LS swap, everything in this circle. Any
Hey.
bike,
However you
everything.
need it, man.
Nah,
That's the
real
crazy
shit.
part.
Nah, hey, that's real shit though, no cap. That's what's real shit for sure.
We can do everything across the board.
It's
with this
gonna
circle
come
right here.
together though, man. I'm telling y'all. That was just living proof though, real shit. That just showed me right there, cause I'm like, I wanted the view so bad, but how it came together was perfect, man. We got the joint out here, man, looking good. Homies came through, man. I'm telling you, it's about to be a movie, man. We about to go up. Y'all see it, man. Sunny California. Hey, what you just said, consistency for sure.
I gotta drop these
For sure.
videos, man.